In this video, we will be simplifying this trig identity, and when it comes to the basis of trigonometry, you want to break down these trig identities into sine and cosine. So just keep in mind that sine and cosine are my simplified or simplest trig identity. Keep in mind that tangent of x is sine of x divided by cosine of x. Our cotangent of x is just 1 over tan of x, which, if we were to simplify, it would be 1 over sine of x divided by cosine of x. Now, if you recall, when you're dividing by a fraction, you keep change flip, that is, leaving your numerator the same, but multiplying by the reciprocal of your denominator. So this ends up becoming cosine of x over sine of x. Also keep in mind that secant of x is 1 over cosine of x, and cosecant of x is 1 over sine of x. So using all these trig identities, let's go ahead and simplify our expression as much as possible. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite everything in terms of sine and cosine. I already know that cotangent is just cosine of x divided by sine of x, multiplied by secant of x, which is just 1 over cosine of x. We have tan of x, which we know is sine of x over cosine of x, and cosecant again is 1 over sine of x. So let's go ahead and simplify and cross out what we can see can be easily removed. So in my numerator, I have cosine of x here in my numerator and a cosine of x in my denominator of my second fraction. To multiply them across, my cosine of x will cancel out, and I'm left with just 1 over sine of x in my numerator. In my denominator, you see that sine of x gets canceled out, and you're left with 1 over cosine of x. So in this case, recall that when you are dividing a fraction by another fraction, you keep change flip, leaving my numerator alone. So it's just 1 over sine of x, but I am flipping or finding the reciprocal for my denominator, which is cosine of x over 1. As with multiplying fractions, you just multiply the numerators across, leaving you with cosine of x divided by sine of x. We already know that cosine of x over sine of x is just cotangent of x, which is my simplified solution. I hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next video.